Hello YouTube, it is I, the Amazing Kitty Sotis, with another tutorial video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to get Unreal Tournament 1999 running, and how to install it on Linux the easy way, and how to get it to work natively. The first way I go about doing this is through Steam, because it's on Steam. Now, the first thing we want to do is check that box, because we're going to need to download the latest version of Proton. And what we do, you'll just see it in there and somewhere, but I have mine because I don't. The next thing we do, we go to compatibility, we select whatever version, Proton 7.5. Let's do 7.05. Let's try that one. And so what we're going to do is we're going to install Unreal Tournament 1999. And we're going to, and now that the game is installed, we're going to go here, the logo files, go here, copy. So we're gonna copy. I've already created a folder called games, and we're going to copy on into here. I'm copy into here. I'm going to UT99, create a folder called UT99, and I copy all of that in there. Go here to where we've downloaded the where I've downloaded the 64-bit edition of the UT99. Old Unreal patch. I've downloaded the latest patch, and we can go ahead and uninstall. We can go ahead and uninstall that, because we won't really need that. We'll want to copy all of this in there. Let's make sure. See how much. 600 is good. Let's just copy all of that in there. Override. Yes, do all. So under 64. So under 64-bit, we're going to go to UT bin, and so I didn't start up on the right screen, but it does work. So let's actually kind of switch over to the ASUS monitor, and let's run it here. Let's execute.
In 2291, in an attempt to control violence among deep space miners, the New Earth government legalized no-holds-barred fighting. Leandri Mining Corporation, working with the NEG, established a series of leagues and bloody public exhibitions. The fight's popularity grew with their brutality. Soon, Leandri discovered that the public matches were their most profitable enterprise. The professional league was formed. A cabal of the most violent and skilled warriors in known space, selected to fight in a grand tournament. Now it is 2341. 50 years have passed since the founding of Deathmatch. Profits from the tournament number in the hundreds of billions. You have been selected to fight in the professional league by the Leandri Rules Board. Your strength and brutality are legendary. The time has come to prove you are the best. To crush your enemies.
To win the tournament.
To win the tournament.
Yep. And so, what we're going to want to do here is go here, OpenGL. I believe this is using X OpenGL. So what we're going to want to do is do some GUI scaling. There we go. There we go, that's not too bad. We can go to, and it's using OpenAL, which is cool. So we can go here, and we can select different sound devices. I wish we could select different displays. Go up to 48 Hertz, why not? So go here. Of course, you can select the display you want to run it on. And unlike the actual audio. So let's do some more stuff. Let's actually do some more like stuff here that we're going to want to do here. Now that Linux is, now that it has, now that what I decided to download, what I downloaded is the Unreal HD textures and HD skins that I've downloaded. Let's actually copy these. I don't have a 4K display, but I just download the 4K textures regardless. So we're going to go to our UT99 folder. We're going to copy the textures. Apply to all. So we're going to have HD textures on Unreal Tournament 99. So this is going to be really cool, because we're going to be able to play the game with HD mods, which won't really look that great on a 1080p monitor. Well, they got some lower res ones that work for monitors like what I've got, but I decided to just download the 4K really version of it anyway, because 4K is, it won't show off much, but it will show off enough. I mean, it won't really be like it's only a couple more gigs, so whatever. Who knows, I might get a 4K TV and this is kind of cool. So we're extracting the files. and this is going to be really cool. So let's load a match up, or maybe load a match up. I don't know. I would like to do some more Unreal Tournament video 99 videos. And I believe this one uses OpenGL. I believe the Linux client uses OpenGL rather than OpenGL proper, which is fine. I wonder if there's a Vulkan renderer that'll work with Linux. We'll have to see if that guy who's working on the... And in fact, we can find that out right now. Let's install the HD. Go to UT99. Install HD. So yeah, now we have high definition files. So let's find out. Unreal. Oh, and are they? I don't think there is a Vulkan renderer for Linux Unreal Tournament, which is unfortunate because that would be cool, and there isn't. So it's a good thing to always, that might, if you're running Windows, that's a good renderer to go for. So we're going to run it the same way we ran it, UT bin. But before I do anything like that, we're going to switch over to this, the Asus monitor.
In 2291, in an attempt to control violence among deep space... In 2291, in an attempt to control violence among deep space miners, the New Earth government legalized no-holds-barred fighting. Leandri Mining Corporation, working with the NEG, established a series of leagues and bloody public exhibitions. The fight's popularity grew with their brutality. Soon, Leandri discovered that the public matches were their most profitable enterprise. The Professional League was formed, a cabal of the most violent and skilled warriors in known space, selected to fight in a grand tournament. Now it is 2341. 50 years have passed since the founding of Deathmatch. Profits from the tournament number in the hundreds of billions. You have been selected to fight in the Professional League by the Leandri Rules Board. Your strength and brutality are legendary. The time has come to prove you are the best. To crush your enemies. To win the tournament.
So now let's set up our player character. Now this unfortunately does not have, this version of Unreal Tournament on Steam does not have all the content. So you'll have to download some other content packs, like I believe bonus pack 4 you'll have to download. Oh, we could do New female soldier. Marine metal goth. Bird. Soldier. Ooh. Robot boob tits. So let's try and find an online match. Let's find let's join a server. I don't think I've ever done this in, ever played it in Linux before. But it's kind of, but it is cool. Let's find a populated server. That one looks good. Try that one. No, what? This is taking a while. This is taking a long time. Cancel. We're gonna try a different server. I want to try a server like Hard Rock Cafe God, but I want facing world on let's try deathmatch. Let's try deathmatch. How many people are playing that deathmatch? Station Zeta, Hard Rock Cafe. I want to try Thailand. Landry Central Core. Let's try that. Let's not do that one. No, we'll just start up a game. A practice round. I don't know, let's do... Let's do... Let's do... Hyperblast? Nah. Leandry. Or Pyramid. As I said, this is kind of missing some content. I just don't want to have to install rules, hardcore, bots. Put on an experienced. Don't get cocky for bots. When we can configure the bots however we want, I'm perfectly fine with them being the way they are. Yeah, look at those graphics. I've never played this map before. Let's configure my controls. I've never played this version of the game. I don't know why it is not so full. That's good enough. Oh, it's
sucker.
Oh, this is weird. Yeah, this is doing some weird shit for me. I don't know if it's because I'm recording. I don't know if it's because I think it's because I'm recording. And we're this might be because I'm recording.
Anyone else want some? Nice.
So I'm gonna quit out of the game real quick and confirm this. I tried it with Half-Life, and it doesn't seem to do the stuttering with Half-Life, but for whatever reason it is doing the stuttering with Unreal Tournament 1999. That's interesting. Hope you enjoyed this video, and until next time, peace out.